Hi, I'm Jean Panic-Kiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 5 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we'll review the actions available in the 3-dot menu on the toolbar. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the description below. Let's get started. The 3-dot menu will always be located in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this button will display a menu that will allow access to additional items. Bookmarks will open the Bookmarks folder. Any bookmarks saved by the user can be found here, as well as some predetermined bookmarks that we install. We'll discuss this in more detail in the next video. Bookmark this page will create a new bookmark for the active window. Show Open Tabs will take you to the Open Tabbed Windows screen. Share this page opens up a new email for you to send a link to the page you're reviewing. Downloads opens our Downloads folder where you can view any item you have downloaded in your browser. Closing the app will clear downloads. New Window opens a new window. This will create a separate tab in your browser. Close Current Window closes the active window. Scan QR Code opens our QR scanner for you to scan a QR code. The first time you try to use the QR scanner, you should see a prompt asking for permission to use your camera. Tapping Allow will allow the scanner to use your camera. Tapping Deny will disable this feature. Print allows you to print to the page you are viewing. Sub Rosa is capable of printing to any printers you have configured on your device, or to cloud services such as Google Drive. You will need to make sure the printing service, printer driver, or cloud service is set up on your device. Settings opens the Settings menu. We will discuss this more in part 7 of this series. Help opens our Help menu where you can send Thursby support an email or diagnostic logs upon request. We'll discuss this more in part 8 of this series. If you have any questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you'd like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Next time, we're going to learn how to add, edit, and delete bookmarks in Sub Rosa. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.